Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a battery charging test between the iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And guys, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra gave you a 4500 mAh of battery size with a 25 watt super fast charging that is also available right out the box, while the iPhone has a 3687 mAh of battery size that support a 20 watt fast charger, and the adapter it is not available right out the box. So that is why I bought the 20 watt USB type C adapter, and this adapter is costing around $21 in Pakistan especially. So in this video I'm gonna show you how much time is required to fully charge this phone, almost 0% to 100%. Right now the battery percentage on both these two devices it is at 0%, and you can see battery it is really low on both these two devices. And guys, now let's quickly show you the charger and the cable that is available with the iPhone 12 series in this year. And you can see here is the official box of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can see, and guys, you can see that, and the box it is really small, because inside of this box, if you see my unboxing, we don't get any adapter as well as Apple AirPods right out the box. And you can see we only get a USB type C to lightning cable with the iPhone this year. Now let's out the cable from this box. I buy this adapter because this phone is support maximum 20 watt. And now let's out the adapter from this box. Let's quickly open this box, and you can see here is the adapter that I'm gonna using in this video. And guys, and this adapter is gonna charge your phone at maximum at 20 watt, and you can see. And guys, inside of this box we also get a quick start guide with this adapter box. And guys, now let's quickly show you the adapter of the Note 20 Ultra, which is also available right out the box. You don't have to buy separately. And you can see here is the official adapter and the cable that you are getting with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And you can see, and this phone is support maximum 25 watt super fast charging. And you can see we also have a super fast charging logo on this phone as well. On the top we have a USB type C port. We also have a 4500 mAh of battery capacity, which is much bigger as compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which has a 3687 mAh of battery size. Now let's quickly insert the USB type C inside the Note 20 Ultra adapter, and you can see. And now let's out the cable from this packaging. And guys, it is really disappointing that iPhone does not ship with adapter and hand-free. And now let's insert the USB type C into the adapter. On the top we get a USB type C port, and at the another end we get a lightning port. And one thing it is really important in this video is that the battery charging speed will be depend on your environment temperature as well as your phone temperature right now. And the temperature in this room it is about 20 degrees Celsius. If you're charging this phone in high temperature, the battery charging speed will be slow as compared to in the low temperature. And guys, you can see that here is the switchboard. And guys, now let's insert the adapters into the switchboard. So we're gonna start this battery charging test. Now let's insert the adapter of the Note 20 Ultra inside the switchboard, and the power source it is also on. And guys, now let's insert the cables into the phones, into the Note 20 Ultra first, and second in the iPhone. And now let's also start the timer as well. And you can see, and the battery percentage on the Note 20 Ultra it is at 0%, and you can see almost 0% on the iPhone. We have a bigger battery on the Note 20 Ultra as compared to a smaller battery on the iPhone. We also have a 25 watt super fast charging on the Note 20 Ultra as compared to only a 20 watt with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I calculated time on my Samsung Galaxy C7 Pro as well, and you can see. Let me zoom in. Let's see the battery percentage on the Note 20 Ultra after 1 minute. And you can see, and the battery percentage on the Note 20 Ultra it is at 2%. And the iPhone I don't see, and you can see, and the iPhone it is automatically on. So we can also on the Note 20 Ultra as well, because of iPhone it is automatically on. And you can see iPhone it is automatically on. Now let's quickly unlock my iPhone. And guys, you can see that, and the battery percentage on the Note 20 Ultra it is at 3%, on the Note 20 Ultra as compared to 3% on the iPhone as well. And guys, also and the Wi-Fi Bluetooth it is off on both these two devices, and I have a SIM card on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but the Note 20 Ultra does not have any SIM card. And you can see we have a 4% battery on the Note 20 Ultra. Let me increase the brightness and you can see. So guys, let me off the screen. So guys, now I will be back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. So let's see how much this phone is charged in the first half hour. So see you guys after half hour. Okay guys, I am back after 30 minutes. Now let's see the battery percentage on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra first. And the battery percentage on the Note 20 Ultra, it is at 52%, and you can see. And guys, we also have a super fast charging logo on the Note 20 Ultra as well, and you can see, and which means that 52% battery completely charged in the first half hour. Let's see the battery percentage on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And the battery percentage on this phone, it is at, you can see, it is at 52%, and you can see. And the battle between the Note 20 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it is really close, and you can see about 1% difference between these two devices. So guys, now I will be back after 45 minutes. Now let's see how much this phone is charged in the next 15 minutes. So see you guys at 45 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 45 minutes of battery charging. Let's see the battery percentage on the Note 20 Ultra first. And the battery percentage on the Note 20 Ultra, it is at 73%, while the iPhone, it is at also 73%, and you can see. And the battle between the iPhone and the Note 20 Ultra, it is about the same. And now we are at 74% on the Note 20 Ultra, and the iPhone, it is at 73%. And you can see after 45 minutes of battery charging, overall I have to say that the battery charging speed is also really fast on the iPhone with 20-watt super fast charger. And the problem is that an adapter, it is not available right out the box. You have to buy it separately. And guys, now I will be back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. Let's see how much this phone is charged in the next 15 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes, and you can see. Let's see the battery percentage on both these two devices. And the battery percentage on the Note 20 Ultra, it is at 90%, and you can see it is very close to 100%. And while the iPhone, it is at 83%, and you can see. And the gap between the Note 20 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it is really big, and you can see at the end Note 20 Ultra, it is much faster as compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But you can see that in the start both phones is perform about the same, and you can see. And guys, really excited to see that who first hit 100% fully charged. Okay guys, I am back again, and you can see, and my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it is fully charged up to 100%, and you can see in 1 hour and 14 minutes, and you can see. And let's see the battery percentage on the iPhone 12 Pro Max after 1 hour and 15 minutes, and you can see. And the iPhone, it is at 90%, and you can see. And the Note 20 Ultra, it is much faster as compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max at the end. Especially, let's see how much time is required for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And guys, now I will be back when my iPhone 12 Pro Max, it is also completely charged up to 100%. Okay guys, I am back, and my iPhone 12 Pro Max, it is completely charged up to 100%, and you can see in 2 hours and 41 minutes, and you can see. And this phone is take a lot of time after 80% of battery, because iPhone has a battery optimized feature in the battery health, and you can see. And guys, when the time it is hit at 1 hour and 59 minutes, I off the optimized battery charging. And guys, I definitely recommend to you guys, do not charge this phone all the way up to 100%, and I would say that below the 85% the battery charging speed is as fast as the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but you can see at the end it is really slow. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching this battery charging test between the iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Overall, I have to say that I'm really impressed by the battery charging speed of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and the iPhone, it is also really fast, below 85% of battery. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.